together always we will be, living life in harmony. Just you